Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT for sales copy or a sales letter. Marketers, you are really going to like this one. So what I did is I went to ClickBank and I looked for a sales letter, just kind of get some inspiration, just to use as an example. And as always, I'm going to do this example about golf. If you look at this, it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. It's not too long of a sales letter. We have our headline. We have more of our introduction where we talk about some benefits, maybe struggles, things that happen when it comes to a golf swing. And eventually, as we go down, there's some testimonials. It introduces the product, talks about some benefits, and then gives a call to action. Some other stuff, call to action, reiterate the benefits, and then it goes from there. So from that, I came up with a template. I did some research very quickly, and this is a very popular formula for a sales letter. Like I talked about, there's more sprinkled in here, but we have our headline, our introduction, our offer, our price, testimonials, and call to action. With that in mind, let's begin with the headline first. So what I put here is write the headline for a sales letter about a digital golf product that helps you hit the golf ball further and straighter. Okay. In fact, probably do a few. One's probably not going to be enough. So let's change that. Right, so write a few headlines for a sales letter. Okay, you got the rest. Let's click enter and see what we get. Okay, and this really emphasizes on having it be a digital golf product, which, I don't think you need to put that in the headline. So once again, the better input, the better output. I'm going to copy this and change it around. All right, so I just write a few headlines for a sales letter about helping you hit the golf ball further and straighter. So I took out the digital product. Like, I think that's just not necessary. They'll figure that out once they get further down the sales letter. It's funny. It's actually like just repeated the same ones, except it took out the digital product. So, I mean, I guess our output was certainly improved, but I think it's the first time I've seen it where it kind of did the same thing, but just changed it around. Either way, we can pick one of those from our headline, so we'd be good to go. Let's move on to the next one. Introduction. So I already wrote what I wanted to put here to save some time. I'm going to paste it in and show you the prompt. So next we have write a few introduction paragraphs for a sales letter talking about a digital golf product. You are talking to someone about the problems that they are having with their golf game. So once again, I think I'm going to take out the digital golf product. Let's see, for a sales letter. It seems like when I put that in there, it's going to reiterate it. And we don't really need that until maybe the introduction or excuse me, when we introduce the actual product. So let's click on that and see what we get. Okay, and as I might have guessed, it is going a little slow. As you can see, normally I have my marketing island icon here, and I think when it's going a little slower, it doesn't show that. So I'm going to go to new chat. I'm going to reload it. Okay, so here we go. Dear golfer, are you tired of hitting the same old shots, missing the greens, and struggling to keep your scores low? Do you find yourself frustrated with your golf game and unable to make the improvements that you desire? You're not alone. Many golfers just like you struggle with the game and feel like they are stuck in a rut. Hope there is better. Okay, great. So that was a good intro. Then it talks about more about our company, and we understand that. I'd probably take that out and change it around to say like, hey, my name is James and I've been golfing. Whoever is selling the product, they would put their name there, talk about what they've been doing, how long they've been playing golf for, and mostly how long they can help you. This is more so like the introduction of the actual product. So what I want to do, I'm actually going to move this over and copy it into a Google Doc. One sec. Okay, so there we go. Dear golfer, we have our headline, and I'm going to go back over here. Okay, great. So we have our improving your golf game. Like I said, if you want to make it longer, that's how you can stretch it out. I just want to make sure you have the idea of how it gets done. Next, we have our offer. This is where we introduce the product. So this would be the first time, introducing whatever we have here. So introduce a product called the Superior Golf Swing, and then give me 8 bullet points or benefits of using it to improve your golf game. All right, this looks like it's perfect so far. I'm going to start reading as it's loading. So introducing the Superior Golf Swing, the ultimate solution for golfers looking to improve their game and lower their scores. This innovative product is designed to help golfers of all skill levels achieve their full potential on the course. Here are just a few benefits of using the Superior Golf Swing. So we have correcting swing faults, increases distance, improves accuracy, enhances swing speed, reduces stress on joints, enhances the swing plane, easy to use, and of course it is going to be durable. So I think we didn't give it enough information about what the product actually comes with. Like if it's going to be an ebook or a video training, it's not something like where you go to a driving range. So that's something that can be easily changed with more description. But overall, we got exactly what we're looking for in terms of like introducing the product and then adding the 8 bullet points. So let's copy this. This is going to be some very short sales copy. I mean, you can do that. Depends on how long you want your sales letter to be, how short or how long, but just kind of going through. I don't want to keep like doing everything over and over. That'll take very long. Usually when I do these tutorial videos, it's just to show you the process of doing it. And if anything needs to be changing, telling you as well. So let's go back to our notepad. So testimonials, obviously you would add those in. I just put those there. And then of course, let's do our CTA, call to action. That's going to be the end where you have the buy now button. Kind of like when I looked at this one here, if you scroll down, we have one right there. And then of course, a couple more at the bottom. So let's go back here. Write a couple paragraphs about giving a call to action to click the buy now button so they can purchase the superior golf swing and start seeing fast results. Okay. Okay, great. Now that you've seen many benefits of using the superior golf swing, it's time to take action and start seeing results. Then it talks about having a money back guarantee, clicking the buy now button. Perfect. Great way to end it. Let's copy this. And ironically enough, I forgot to put the price. So we have one more to do here. So let's go back here. So remember, we have in this example headline, intro, offer we did, the price I got to do, testimonials, which you would just add in, and a call to actions. Let's do the price drop. Give the price for the superior golf swing, and then give me a couple paragraphs about why that is such a good deal and how it can help improve your golf game. Here's what it talks about, $149.99. Obviously, if you have your own price, you just plug it in there, but you can use everything else. Like it says, this may seem like a significant investment, but when you consider all of the benefits that it offers, it's truly a great deal. Not only will it help you correct your swing faults, increase distance, and improve accuracy, it can also help you reduce stress on joints, enhance swing speed, and maintain a proper swing plane, plus the money back guarantee. Consider this, a single golf lesson with a pro costs around $100. So I'm going to stop right there with reading that. That's perfect. That's like a way to justify the price where it's saying like, well, this pretty much costs the same thing as one single session with a pro, and you get a lot more than that. You get to keep, the digital copy, the training, plus you have access to our coaching and so on and so forth. It also talks about how many are priced over $200. This is a great little paragraph here. It's kind of like comparing apples to apples. Well, ours is 150, but if you want to get lessons, one lesson is going to be 100, and one isn't going to be enough. Well, you'll probably need like 5. Examples like that. So let's paste this. So that was the price. That goes after the, let's see. We could also put it, it's really up to you. Right there. And with that, we have our full sales letter or sales copy. I know it was done in a couple of these things here. Can we even load it? Yeah, so we had our headlines here. That's where it kind of stopped working. And then we had the rest of it here. Okay, they are definitely experiencing high demand as always, but that was everything we wrote, and this is everything all in one spot. So we have our headline, we have our introduction talking about some of the problems that they have. We introduce the product, we give plenty of benefits. These are going to be the bullet points. Then we have the price. Then it talks about what the price is and, compares it to getting an actual lesson from a pro, compares it to their prices and the value that you can get with it, the conclusion, and then, of course, kind of the introduction with the call to action. So just like that, thanks to ChatGPT, we have some sales copy or a sales letter using a very simple formula. Hope you got some value out of that. That was fun to do. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.